When it comes to improving your Google Ads click-through rate, there's two major elements that I usually recommend people start with. The first is making sure that your ads are highly congruent. What I mean by that is if someone goes to search for an oil change near me, you want to make sure that that phrase actually appears in the headline of the ad. To do that, you would basically group the corresponding ads with the right headlines in an ad group that uses those keywords, right? So you would have like an oil change ad group, and all the ads in that ad group would talk about oil change, and then you'd have all the oil change variation keywords like synthetic oil change, standard oil change, fast oil change, express oil change, whatever it is. That way, when somebody does a search for oil change and they see your ad and it says oil change in it, they know that they're looking for the right thing, and that's going to improve the click-through rate of your ad. The other major element, if we're just talking about like the heaviest hitters here, right, is adding lots of extensions, which they now call assets. And you can see this one has what they call a site link extension or asset here. And that's where somebody can click off to a different page of the website that is being advertised here. There's also a call asset here, a couple different ones that actually make this ad take up a lot more of the page. If all that was here was this top part with the headline and the description down below here, actually only this part is a description. So in most cases, people will just set up their headlines and the descriptions, and that's it. But these are also extensions. These are called call-out extensions or assets. And it's just really short blips of text that sort of tie into what exactly is being offered. So dedicated service team, service offers available. I'm not sure what that one's all about. Exceptional customer care, convenient location. It's sort of like the reasons why somebody would want to choose your business, essentially. And that adds an additional line of text. So the idea here is the more room that your ad takes up on the page, the higher the chance that somebody's actually going to click on it. If your ad is a little tiny ad with just a headline and one short description, it's going to limit the visibility on the page and the clicks that you're going to get. So between those two things, if you apply those, you should, if you haven't already, you applied those, you should see a pretty substantial increase in your click-through rate. And click-through rate is a pretty big indicator to Google that people are having a good experience with your ads, which leads to better quality traffic coming through to your ads at a lower cost. So a couple of really key things to keep in mind, but if there is anything you do have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.